The relations between Iran and the USA has gone downhill after U.S. has decided to quit from Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action (JCPOA), commonly called the Iran nuclear deal, in May. Trump administration has expressed its intention to reapply sanctions on Iranian oil exports that had earlier been suspended through the deal. It's increasingly likely that the United States will push its allies to completely stop importing Iranian oil. Iran has threatened to restart its nuclear program as well as close the Straits of Hormuz. In that case, the situation will escalate further, and there's a chance of a conflict. In every modern-day conflict, air power plays a crucial role, and it's the topic for this discussion. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Iran's Air Force is no match for U.S. Air Force. Let's get started. Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force (IRIAF) used to be one of the largest and most powerful air forces in the world, but things have gone bad to worse, and it's now become a mere shadow of its former self. Multiple wars and sustained sanctions have taken their toll. International arms embargo resulted in difficulty in obtaining spare parts for its aging fleet of Air Force jets, let alone buying new ones. The IRIAF now consists of mostly outdated fighters whose operational availability is also suspect. The MiG-29 is the most capable fighter of the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force. It has only 20 of these. Other fighters include Sukhoi Su-24, Sukhoi Su-22, Chengdu F-7, Northrop F-5, F-4 Phantom II, Grumman F-14, and Mirage F-1, totaling about 150. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps Air Force, which is a separate air arm and part of the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps, has about 10 ex-Iraqi Su-25 Frogfoot fighters. There's no long-range bomber, and there's also no AWACS, which is a major issue. Compare this with the U.S. Air Force, which has almost 2,000 fighter jets that includes around 187 F-22 Raptor 5th-generation fighters, which are considered the most potent fighter in the world. Apart from that, U.S. has dedicated long-range bomber, including stealthy B-2 Spirit, as well as has a flotilla of very capable AWACS. The U.S. also has 10 Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, which can be deployed through the Arabian Sea. Nimitz-class displaces about 100,000 tons and spans 333 meters long. Each of these is capable of carrying more than 60 fighter jets. The Nimitz strike fighters are primarily F-18 Hornets and F-18 Super Hornets. These are twin-engine, carrier-capable, 4+ generation multi-role fighter aircraft designed for land and air attacks. Through Nimitz-class carriers, U.S. will be able to bring the fight to Iran from the sea. Further, if we take other factors like superior training, better tactic, and higher manpower availability, U.S. Air Force is placed far ahead of IRIAF. Iran and Russia were discussing for the sale and co-production of 48 Su-30. This would have given Iran's Air Force much-needed teeth, but this didn't materialize due to the issue of price and technology transfers. In 2013, Iran revealed a prototype fighter jet named Kaher 313 stealth fighter, but the very small design seemed unrealistic with pilots' knees being visible in the cockpit. Most experts dismissed the prototype as nothing more than a mock-up. In 2017, when the fighter appeared again, it seemed larger, but the overall design's credibility is still suspect. With no new fighters bought and no new manufactured domestically, Iran's Air Force is in a dire strait. Keeping all these into consideration, it can be safely said that Iran's Air Force is in no shape to counter the American air power. If a conflict starts, U.S. will have complete air superiority within a few days and will be able to dictate the battle from then onwards.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.